Sino yung mga nagpakapagod para mag-tap-tap dun sa Hamster Combat? So bakit nga ba kumikita ako dun sa mga bagong NFT games? Let's go! At makikita nyo dito na listed na siya dito sa CoinEx. At pwede na natin siyang i-trade. So para dun sa mga naglaro ng Hamster Combat, ang mai-advise ko sa inyo na centralized exchange para sa trading ng Hamster Combat nyo ay itong CoinEx. Kasi, eto guys, makikita nyo dyan, more details. So, meron tayong 5,000 USDT na price pool kapag dito kayo nag-trade, nag-exchange ng Hamster Combat nyo. And kitang-kita naman dito, sabi dito guys, Deposit Hamster, the first 100 users who make a net on-chain Hamster deposit for a total deposits and withdrawals of equivalent or not less than 10 USD can share 1,000 USDT in rewards proportional to your net Hamster deposit. So yun yung kagandahan dito guys compared dun sa ibang exchanges. And number 2, join the Hamster Trade Board. Trade 50 USD worth of Hamster to join the ranking and compete for a share of 4,000 USDT price pool. So view natin yung details about dito. And I'm sure na maraming magiging interested dito kasi marami tayong mga viewers na naglalaro dati ng Hamster Combat. So ang daming nagtatanong dun sa comment section natin about Hamster Combat. Kaya naman, ito sinishare ko sa inyo yung opportunity na to dito sa CoinEx. So ilalagay ko sa description box ito para mabasa nyo lahat yung information about dito sa 5,000 USDT na price pool kapag dito kayo nag-trade sa CoinEx. At syempre para hindi kayo mahuli dun sa mga news about promotional and events dito sa CoinEx, i-follow nyo lang itong Twitter nila guys. Meron tayong sariling Twitter dito ng mga Filipino. Ito yung CoinEx Filipino. Follow nyo lang ito guys. Meron na tayong 3,473 na followers ngayon. So bali ito yung mga ginagawa nila. And kung finallow nyo nga pala ako sa Twitter, lagi akong nagtitweet about dito sa CoinEx. So makikita nyo dyan yung legitimacy ng CoinEx kasi marami silang mga ganitong klaseng events na ginagawa. So tignan natin yung mga details niya dito sa website nila guys. Makikita natin dito about Hamster sa mga bago sa Hamster Combat or Hamster na token na gustong mag-participate dito kahit hindi kayo naglaro ng Hamster. Pwede pa rin kayong mag-trade dito sa CoinEx. So sabi dito, users can mine Hamster coins by managing a virtual crypto exchange. Following the success of Notcoin, this game is becoming increasingly popular. Enjoy strategic gameplay, daily rewards, and real cryptocurrency rewards promised by the Hamster Combat airdrop. To learn more, click lang natin yan pero hindi na natin yan gagawin dito. Anyway, ilalagay ko naman yung link nitong announcement nila na to sa description box. Tapos ito, to celebrate the launch of Hamster, CoinEx will launch the Deposit and Trade Hamster Share 5,000 USDT event. Details are as follows. Event 1, Deposit Hamster Share 1,000 USDT. Andito yung mga information niya about dyan guys. And number 2 is participation qualifications. All users can participate except market makers. Number 3 is activity rules. During the activity period, the first 100 users who participate in the activity and whose on-chain Hamster net deposit amount, cumulative deposit amount to cumulative withdrawal amount is equivalent or not less than 10 USD can share a 1,000 USDT price pool in proportion to their net deposit amount. So yan yung first na activity. Ito yung second activity, trade Hamster and share 4,000 USDT. Event time nyan ay from September 26 to October 3. Qualifications, all users can sign up to participate except market makers. So ito yung activity rules guys. During the activity period in the Hamster/USDT market, CoinEx users with a trading volume or yung buying volume plus sell volume nila is equivalent or not less than 50 USD can participate in the ranking and share 4,000 USDT rewards. The specific reward distribution is as follows. Makikita natin dito sa table guys. So ito yung ranking from top 1, top 2, top 3 to 5, 100 and a total reward of 300 USDT. Tapos top 6 to 10, top 11 to 50, top 51 to 100. And ito yung maganda, other users who meet the transaction volume requirements ay meron pa rin total reward na 750 USDT. Ito yung note guys, importante to, net deposit. So ibig sabihin niyan yung deposit tsaka withdrawal during the event using red envelopes and transferring within the site are also considered withdrawals. Intra-site transfers are not included in the top-up amount. Tapos number 2, the spot ranking competition will share the rewards based on the cumulative currency-to-currency trading volume. The cumulative trading volume is equivalent to the purchase volume plus the sales volume in the designated market during the event. So ibig sabihin yan guys, yung the volume of self-purchase and self-sale is not included in the cumulative trading volume. So kailangan nating intindihin yan guys. Market maker accounts do not participate in this activity also. Tapos the sub-account does not participate in the activity as an independent account, and the transaction volume of the sub-account is included in the main account. Number 6, reward distribution. Activity rewards will be distributed within 7 working days after the end of the activity. So ito yung about sa cheating naman, it is prohibited in this activity such as bulk registration of Smurfs, cross-trading, etc. Once discovered, CoinEx will disqualify the participant from participating in the activity. So bawal daw yung magre-register kayo ng mga Smurf account nyo, tapos cross-trading, and yung ibang form pa ng cheating. Andito yung common issues regarding the currency-to-currency trading volume ranking competition. So i-click nyo lang to guys and mapupunta na kayo dito sa article nila regarding sa subject na yan. And ito yung CoinEx tips. Digital assets are innovative investment products with large price fluctuations and high investment risk. Before investing, we hope you will fully understand digital assets, make rational judgment on investment capabilities, and make prudent investment decisions. So bali yan lang yung about dito sa event na to. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description box para mabasa nyo din. And yun nga guys, sobrang saya siguro ng mga nag-participate dun sa airdrop ng Hamster Combat. Kasi ngayon makakapag-withdraw na sila and at the same time makakapag-trade na sila dito with a chance to participate dito sa 5,000 USDT prize pool ng CoinEx. So yun lang guys, yung link ng CoinEx nasa description box. And kapag may mga tanong kayo, comment nyo lang dyan sa comment section. At kapag bago pa lang kayo dito sa channel, huwag nyong kalimutang i-click yung subscribe button. Click nyo na din yung notification bell, set nyo yan sa all para every time na meron tayong mga ganitong klaseng content about crypto trading, crypto games, mga play to earn games, manonotify kayo. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat. Bye-bye.
Disclaimer. This content is for education and entertainment purposes only. Galaran TV does not provide investment advice. The information is being presented without consideration of the investment objectives, risk tolerance, or financial circumstances of any specific investor and might not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. All investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Some videos have benefactors. Always do your own research. Never invest more than you are willing to lose.